This is for my story.
Alright.
Time check, it's 11:04. Work is done. And nagluto si DJ ng food niya. At may nangangapit bahay dito. Every night. So anyway, eto na yung niluluto ni DJ. And we'll see kung successful yung chicken niya.
Let's see.
Let's do it.
Anong itsura? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait, it's dark. No, it's perfect. Flip mo.
Okay.
Flip mo yung pinakabalat.
Yung balat. Oh.
Yeah!
Perfect 10! Perfect 10!
Ka-proud naman.
Perfect 10!
Ka-proud Don. Proud ako
Chicken
Don.
deru! Perfect 10! Arigatou gozaimasu!
Yamiru! Oshi!
May na po natin ang niluto na nag-iisang DJP.
Paka-spoiled kay DJ dapat
Grabe
yun
naman
eh. Okay.
Achievement ito sa career ko.
Okay. Sarap, mami.
Aklerte mo.
Yeah, congrats, chef. Mayroon pa siya doon.
Yan, guards counting kaliwa. Yan, okay.
Try natin. Love, come here. Welcome to my cooking show. You try
So
this.
what do we have today?
Have some mushroom soup.
Ang mushroom. Maliit bang mapasok? Isang lasa ko lang bacon.
What?
Sarap. Malapot na siya. Okay na siya.
So, okay na?
Oo. Ayos na yan. Inaano lang natin para umiinit lang. Saan ba ito? Ito?
Pangalawa.